coordinator here at the Tabernacle. We just started an awesome semester just a couple weeks ago, and we have 17 life groups going on. We have anything from discipleship to board games to having dinner together to sports and fitness. There's going to be something perfect for you and your family here at the Tabernacle. We want you to step it up and get involved. So come find me after service and I'll help you find the perfect life group for you. We want to do life together. That's our motto here at the Tabernacle. So let's step it up together.
Good morning. My name is Brother Wayne Hudnall, and I serve as leader of the Frontline team here at the Tabernacle of Praise. And the Frontline team, what we do is we want to be a blessing. We want to encourage folks as they come into this church. We want them to know that we love them and that we're so glad to see them, and we'll hope they'll become a part of our family. And today we hope that you will step up and you will help us serve on the Frontline team. You know, I believe that God has called each of us to serve. And, you know, there's great joy in serving the Lord, joy unspeakable and full of glory. I believe you can no more hide joy than you can hide fire. And I believe if you're excited for the Lord, that's going to come out. Amen. We're hoping that you'll step up and that you'll be a part of the Frontline team.
Brightwell, and I head up the follow-up team here at the Tabernacle of Praise. If you're not familiar with what the follow-up team does, we actually follow up with our new guests that attend on Sundays and Wednesdays, and this can be done through Sunday morning service as well as assisting through the week. So if you're interested in making an impact with new families, come out to the foyer, sign up, and step it up.
Hey guys, this is Pastor Matt, and I'm inviting you to step it up during this 8-week challenge with Driven Student Ministries. We have a lot of things going on this month. We're getting ready to move into our new youth building, and there's tons of ways that you can help serve in that area. As a matter of fact, we've had 4 new team members sign up this first week. So if you're interested in anything technology-wise, like media, sound, lighting, if you just like worshiping, we could use you in that area as well. But we also do tons of trips of community outreaches, and we're hoping to do some mission trips this coming summer. And also we do more oriented life group that are more focused towards the student demographic. So if you have a heart for students and you really want to see this generation engaging with a one true living God, I'm going to tell you something. This is the place for you, and we will find where we can use you and your abilities and your interests. So we're looking forward to meeting you. If you have any questions, see me or my wife Tiffany Hutchison in Atrium. We love you.